Hi everyone. Today I'm going to be reading a book called Scribble Stones, written and illustrated by, again, Danny Albert. Yeah, you can see the scribble who's over there. This story is about one happy stone who is gray and round and rarely alone. He lived with the others, all stacked in a pile, and waited calmly with a large friendly smile. Each stone had a purpose, but it wasn't known yet. Some would be landscaping, some stone a stone pet. There were so many things that stones could be. The hardest part was just waiting to see. Stone knew that his purpose would brighten someone's day. He just wasn't sure how or in what kind of way. He imagined the things that he might soon become as he watched all the stones get picked one by one, but his happy face slowly turned to a frown as he watched the tall pile start to decline on down. Although he was worried, he tried not to care until it was clear he was the last one there. Then it finally happened. Stone was quickly picked up. He was placed on a desk next to a very large cup. As Stone looked around, he thought, "This is so great," but soon he discovered he was a dull paperweight. I'm supposed to bring happiness, not hold paper still. There must be a mistake. This just can't be my skill." Then all of a sudden, a splatter flew high. Then some bright scribbles came wiggling by. They were headed right toward the short paper stack. They filled up the paper on the front end. They were all making art. It was happening so fast. The stone feared that the paper would simply not last. Stone didn't want the scribbles to cry, so he thought that they all could try. He slowly rolled down the very large pile and said, "I know how to make you all smile. I know I'm not a paper, but I like art too. Do you think I could spare some red, yellow, and blue?" They loved the idea, and they could not wait. Scribble began to make a happiness heart. Splatter then painted some pale baby blue. Another scribble added sunny gold too, and it didn't take long for more stones showed up, and soon the line grew behind the large red cup. To Stone's surprise, he was picked up once more. He had never heard of this happiness before. More art was added on it, and he was on his way to become a small gift to brighten someone's day. Nearby another stone journey had begun. He was spreading such happiness and having great fun. Every time he traveled, someone added their part. Sometimes just a scribble, sometimes fancy art. With each new layer, there was a story to share. Soon, scribble stones were seen everywhere. They traveled the planet. It was quite an event, bringing happiness and fun wherever they went. All because of paperweight and a will and a way. Now thousands of stones inspire creativity each day. So that's the end of the book. I hope you enjoyed this book, and I hope to see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel, comment your opinion, and give a thumbs up. I'll see you in our next video. Bye!